Welcome back to the channel, and in this video we are going to install the most favorite admin UI, which is AdminLTE. From Laravel 12 it also comes with a starter kit, but I really like AdminLTE. Let me know if you feel the same way or I am making the wrong choice in the comment box below. So let's get started. First of all, let's go to the api.paste that has been created with the Laravel 12, and then you can start the hard and then go to the project. This is my blank project, just to let you know. And then I have a documentation link over here at laravel-adminlte. I'll also put this link in the description box below. Now AdminLTE, this package provides an easy and quick way to set up AdminLTE v3 with a Laravel 7 or higher. There is no other requirement dependency beside Laravel, so you can start building admin panel immediately. Let's go to the requirement. Greater than the Laravel 8 version, and then PHP is 7.3. Installation. Let's copy this one and then go back over here. Let's go and then paste it and then install it. Now let's go to the next step, and then we can publish the resources. And then it has been already done, but let's go step by step over here. Okay, let's do this one. Okay, yes, okay, so that has been replaced. Now let's replace with this one. Okay, auth view has been published successfully. Let's go back to our Laravel project, and then over here split, and then this one, and let's go to login. There you go. I may have you no, I don't have a user, so I'll try to register one. Let's try to register, and the password would be, let's put something simple. Go back, then let's go back over here. Let's install the npm. Let's use nvm to manage the node version. Let's go over here, paste it. Okay, we can close and then open back. Say node version. Okay, npm version, and then let's install npm install. That has been done, and let's do npm okay. So let's go back to our project over here, and then let's try to open the new register new app member, and there you go. But let me try to log out again. Login or register new member. Okay, let's try to do new registration. Let's not do neighbor. Okay, so our auth view has been changed, but our dashboard view is not changed, so we can change that one as well. Let's go to the use section. So we can make a page like this one. So let's copy this one, and then at the home page we can put that one. So go back, and then resources, view, layouts, or home. What I can do is create a template, .php for now, and then let's put this one in home. So let's refresh it, and there you go. Your beautiful AdminLTE is installed and ready to use. Also, while publishing the AdminLTE config, it will generate the config file over here, AdminLTE, and then we can customize our admin panel here. So I'll just create it API app, and then if I save it, let's try to open this one in separate. So API.test/home, and what changed is probably the application title is in the front end. While you logged out, let's log out, then register. Also here the title is changed. Now we can change other stuff. Let's say API app, and then if I save it over here, let's try to register again, and then here it has been changed. So likewise, we can change the sidebar menu, we can utilize other functionality as well. So in the further video we are going to do that. Thank you, see you in the next video.